To set time to take action notification in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings, and then on notification, tap time to take actions. Choose how long to show messages that ask you to take action but are visible only temporarily, such as temporarily on-screen notification or the volume control. And then select time you want, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes, or default. Simple. And then tap back button to save. Now time to take action is 10 seconds. 2 minutes. Takes to time to take action 2 minutes per default. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.